This is a DDC 810 Spot UV by DuSense. So what we have here is we have a standard sheet, and what we're going to do here is we are going to embellish this with Spot UV. Okay? How do we do that? The machine here is a suction fed machine. We suck the sheet up, it then comes into here underneath this rubber roller. So this rubber roller will take any excess spray powder and dust off of it. It then goes through under some cameras. So the cameras are going to be registering between these register marks and then ink jetting. So it's registering, ink jetting as it goes through the machine. After it passes through those, it then goes through a UV curing lamp and then out the back for delivery. The ink itself, it's an oil-based UV, and this is in here. So this is a 3-litre canister of oil, and this will go up to the heads into a reservoir and then into the outside the heads there onto the sheet. Here we have a exit platform here, which is all the waste oil and all the waste toner that we tend to not to use, okay? So the machine itself is very simple to operate. How we do it is we have a PDF file, which is a 5th layer to allow us to see the DuSense file sitting on top of the CMYK. We bring that in through a sheet size. We then use a registration mark, which is a real-time registration mark. We then choose the thickness. So the thickness is from 20 micron up to 80 micron. Sheet size of 364 by 740. So once we brought the file in, we can then choose a thickness, and that level of thickness can be determined via a grayscale and a grey balance. So if you was to choose an 80 micron height, we then have 7 levels of grey. If we reduce that, we can go down to 40, which then gives you 3 levels of grey. We also have a barcode reader. So this barcode reader is going to read the barcode. It will then look for the file, so it has a name on the barcode. It will look for the file in the list, and then it will produce the job. So what we'll do here is we'll set up the barcode and run the job. So here it will read the barcode, produce the image here, send the data down to the heads, and then produce. So here the suction is sucking the sheet up, it's being suction fed, it then runs through into the cameras, registering to the bullet points, and then producing. It'll then do the next one and the next one. And as you can see, out the back, lovely DuSense image, touch dry, ready to finish.